Hello, and welcome back to Cardano Coin, where we bring you the most recent and intriguing ADA news. We're giving away 1,000 ADA to those who are watching. All you have to do is upvote, subscribe, comment Cardano is king and watch the video to the end to be eligible. The winners will be picked next month and publicized on the community page of the channel. Due to the volatility and liquidation issue in the cryptocurrency market, the price of the ADA coin decreased by over 50% last year. But to a great extent, it is safe to say that Cardano was one of the few top cryptocurrencies that endured market difficulties. Even the network's potential singularities were absorbed by unfavorable macroeconomics. The market is still dominated by fear, and potential investors should be aware that cryptocurrency investments are known for their jarring and unreliable oscillations. This is true even though great ADA price projections have been released for the year. The sky is at the top one day and the bottom is at the rock bottom the next. Since volatility is already a part of the market, experienced crypto investors are more likely to try their hand at digital tokens. Cardano is slowly slogging forward in a better way at a time when Bitcoin and Ethereum are the center of attention and investors' first pick, but this movement has failed to last. The Cardano network has accomplished many significant milestones. ADA is still discounted, according to the Feelings Market Valued Realized Value Indicator published by renowned crypto analyst Ali Martinez, despite the advancements achieved with the growth of the blockchain. Cardano also appears to be undervalued. The biggest proof-of-stake blockchain, Cardano, has not been discounted since the cryptocurrency crash caused by the COVID-19 outbreak in March 2020, according to Martinez's analysis of the NVRV indicator. In accordance with his tweet, the COVID crash in March 2020 was the last time Cardano was this undervalued. ADA holders currently experience an average loss of -26%, according to the MVRV 365. Measurements of addresses that obtained ADA in the last 365 days. The MVRV can be used to determine whether or not an asset's price is appropriate, just in case you're unsure how to compare a cryptocurrency's price to its true value. This indicator has historically been thought to be reliable. Simply said, the possibility of a rise in the price of the cryptocurrency increases with a smaller NVRV ratio. Cardano's place in the cryptocurrency industry is still murky. Institutional investors were unable to fund the ESA in 2021, and it is still without any restoration in 2023. Cardano may be significantly discounted in comparison to Ethereum, Solana, and other rivals after 2 years of vigorous trading. Sentiment claims that there are some indications that sellers are growing weary of the decreasing trends in each year since '88. Less coins are losing money on the network, which indicates steadily dwindling selling power. Donald is currently being criticized for being severely undervalued, according to a tweet. Data supporting this claim, including the fact that sharks and whales have been actively acquiring 100K to 10 million ADA over the past 6 weeks, are unquestionably visible to one of the community members of other sentiment feeds. Additionally, there is a decline in trading volume, which could be one of the biggest reversal indications seen on the market. As a trend advances, bulls and bears gradually lose their strength, which takes momentum away from them. A trend reversal happens at that precise moment. This might be the case for Cardano 2023, particularly if the Bitcoin market has a broad comeback. The entire analysis, however, was only based on a small number of indicators that did not provide any basic knowledge that would have allowed investors to anticipate the course of ADA in 2023 with ease. Well, Cardano's situation isn't much better either. The native token of the smart contract platform and its price rally of 7% over the last few days have caused it to fall once more to the local low, suggesting that they are not yet prepared to make a rebound. The asset's trading volume is also declining, although this does not actually provide enough information to pinpoint a trend reversal. The drop can be a result of international financial markets being closed for vacations. This pattern probably extends until early January. Cardano now holds the 8th place position in terms of market capitalization, with a total valuation of $8.8 billion the year before. Based on activity among cryptocurrency developers, the proof-of-stake blockchain was among the busiest. This occurred in the midst of the bear market scenario for the cryptocurrency industry in 2022. Chain indicators display intriguing patterns with numerous setbacks that imply Cardano is currently undervalued. The cryptocurrency's value had increased by 7 to 8 times since this time last year. Extending on Feeling's claims, the will purchase activity and ADA price clearly differ from one another. Given that the whales continue to buy despite the industry-wide FTX-related turmoil, this is a bullish indication. According to data, there is a distinct divergence between whales that can hold 100,000 ADA and whales that can hold 1 million ADA and whales that can hold 10 million ADA. Additionally, traders are clinging onto their bags despite the falling value of cryptocurrencies. According to the remark, dealers show signs of wariness after each significant price drop as fewer and fewer coins are transferring at a loss. It is no secret that Cardano is among the least profitable investments available on the cryptocurrency market, but for certain investors, this is acceptable. You would rather the project's core value than our tradespeople's performance. However, ADA's undervaluation could change the situation in the near future. Last time, the price of the MVRV indicator flush ADA doubled in just 3 months. Cardano may achieve the same level of success as it did 5 years ago if all the underlying reasons are taken into account. Given the latency happening around the coin aside from the development of the Cardano blockchain, quick drops in value are frequently difficult to explain, therefore the technical perspective is not particularly encouraging in this regard. In relation to GitHub, Cardano is still among the most actively developed cryptocurrencies on the market, and a number of recent releases, including DeFi solutions and NFT marketplaces, have proven this. But currently, it doesn't seem like cryptocurrency investors value the project's progress. Given ADA's subpar short and long-term market performance, since 2021, investors of ADA have not noticed an upward trend that would allow ADA to recover and reach its prior all-time high values of 2021. It must experience a 780% rally. But moving on, the objective of everyone who invests in cryptocurrencies is to discover an undervalued asset from which they may generate profits. However, locating the most discounted crypto projects often requires extensive research and can be challenging. Cardano was designed to be a highly secure and decentralized blockchain, and it has been successful in this regard. Many investors do not like how long it takes Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson to accomplish his objectives, though. It makes sense that an upgrade should take some time rather than being implemented quickly and securely. The position has been supported by a number of updates from other blockchains. Cardano is one of the most popular cryptocurrencies on the market with a devoted community, and despite the conditions that could seem discouraging, it is quite improbable that this reputation will tarnish anytime soon. Searching for discounted assets during periods of negative growth can be a terrific approach to locate some low-cap crypto, despite the fact that it may seem rather counterproductive. Overvalued assets will probably fall in value more quickly while the market is regressing. In contrast, despite the macroeconomic environment, undervalued assets will hold strong and decline relatively less. So now is the moment to recognize Cardano's worth and treat it like a serious investment. Despite the lack of a central government body to control pricing changes, digital tokens have become the hottest trend in finance right now, and cutting-edge cryptocurrencies like Cardano are making the effort more valuable. So why is Cardano still inexpensive despite our bullish stances? The dominance of Bitcoin and Ethereum is a big factor in this. It still has a long way to go before it surpasses the well-known duo in the digital sphere, despite being hailed as a third-generation cryptocurrency. No matter how hard we try to ignore it, Cardano occasionally needs something similar to what Dogecoin offers. When people become aware of Cardano's genuine worth, it won't be discounted. Unlike a lot of other cryptocurrencies, Cardano does not rely on the white paper to operate in the same way. Cardano is working to make a difference in the world. As the market continues to change, this makes Cardano a very interesting currency to monitor. But it's crucial to remember that there is confusion around this period in crypto history. This has been the issue for a long time, and it might be the best time to buy or the start of a long road to recovery for many currencies. Cardano has been developed in great depth. It can be said that it's one of the safest cryptos. The fact that Cardano's features and advancements are constantly evaluated before release gives investors peace of mind and is a major bonus. Ignore the commotion for the time being and concentrate on the exciting returns that investors will make from this undervalued cryptocurrency. Of course, what do you think about this? Let's discuss them in the section below. In the following video, we'll see you. Check out our other videos to see how Cardano is fulfilling his desire to be the Ethereum killer, but before that, be careful to always click the subscribe and notification buttons